Welcome back to the channel. Jenilyn Mercado and Dennis Trillo, the beloved Kapuso power couple, are gearing up for an exciting new project, a groundbreaking action drama series. This marks their first team-up on television in a decade, since their hit series My Faithful Husband in 2015. In this video, we'll explore all the details about their much-awaited reunion, their upcoming body cop show, and their movie coming this February. Stick around, and let's dive in. Jenilyn Mercado and Dennis Trillo are thrilled to be reuniting on the small screen for a brand new action drama series. According to a report by Nelson Canlas on 24 Oras last Wednesday, this marks the couple's first TV team-up in 10 years. Their last series together, My Faithful Husband, aired in 2015. Both stars shared their excitement about this fresh genre. Jenilyn revealed, "Maganda siya kasi iba, bago, first time naming gagawa ng ganoong klaseng genre. Kahit kaming dalawa na-excite kami nung nalaman namin na iba siya sa mga nagawa namin na projects noon." The couple also shared how they waited for their daughter, Dylan, to grow a bit older before committing to this project. Jenilyn said, "Hindi ako magwo-work hanggat hindi pa dumarating yung point na nakakapagsalita at nakakasumbong na siya. Para alam ko na kung ano yung mga nangyari sa araw niya kasi ngayon marunong na talaga." Dennis echoed this sentiment, sharing that they are now more at ease leaving their daughter with caregivers. "At least kahit papaano mas kampante na kami na iwan siya dahil alam na namin na kaya na siya ng mga mag-aalaga sa kanya." The upcoming show boasts an all-star cast, including Seb Pajarillo, Zoren Legaspi, Marina Benipayo, Altantay, Nova Villa, Joros Gamboa, Roy Vinzon, Alan Dizon, Sam Pinto, and Matthew Oy. Set in the style of classic 80s action films, the Body Cop series promises to deliver thrilling stunts and heartfelt moments. Are you excited to see Jenilyn and Dennis in this thrilling new action drama series? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates about your favorite Kapuso stars. Salamat sa panunood, and see you in the next video.